Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to replace the transmission oil cooler lines on 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickup trucks. Step number 1. Begin by removing the top plastic cover located over the radiator. Start by removing the locks with the appropriate tool as shown in the image. First the upper part of the lock and then remove it in its entirety. Once all the plastic fasteners have been removed, remove the plastic cover. 2. Next, proceed to remove the grille from the truck. In 1999 to 2002 models, turn the 4 locks to the right using a flathead screwdriver to release them as shown in the image. 3. Remove the central screw that holds the grille using a ratchet and a 15mm socket. 4. Next, unhook the side locks of the grille using a plastic trim remover tool to avoid damaging the paint. Insert the plastic tool into the slot where it joins and pry on it gently while pulling with your hand so that it is completely released. 5. In 2003 to 2007 models, unlatch the locks that hold the grille by inserting a small pry bar or flathead screwdriver into the slot where it joins and pull with your hand simultaneously to release them. Note: these models don't have a central screw, and the side locks are released in the same way described in the previous step. 6. Next, to remove the bottom plate, remove the screws that hold it in place using a ratchet and a 15mm socket as shown in the picture. 7. Identify and visually follow the routing of the damaged transmission oil cooler line to be replaced as well as the ends of its joints. 8. Next, remove and slide back the line lock covers using a small bar or flathead screwdriver. Insert the tool into the slot where they join and lever them to release them completely as shown in the image. 9. Remove the lock on the line connector using a pick tool, insert the tip into it and lever it to extract it completely as shown in the image. 10. Once the safety clip has been removed, place a drain pan under the line connection to collect the transmission fluid that will spill when disconnecting the line. Pull outward with your hand to disconnect it. Do the same on both ends. Pay attention to the maneuvers performed when removing the old transmission oil cooler line, this way you know how to install the new one. 11. Insert the new transmission oil cooler line through the bottom of the truck and guide it to its original position. 12. Install the lock on the connector in the correct way as shown in the image. Subsequently, insert the line into the connector until it engages with the lock firmly and in the correct way. 13. Next, install the cover over the line connector. 14. Install the remaining items in the reverse order they were removed. Start the engine and check for leaks. Allow the transmission fluid to reach the normal operating temperature and check the fluid level. Add transmission fluid if needed. That's how simple it is to replace a transmission oil cooler line on 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickup trucks. Have a wonderful day.